Welcome to this week's Moving Tip Monday. Now, if you're a freshman going into your first year at college, you're moving into a whole new chapter of your life. But the physical moving part can be pretty stressful and worrisome. Luckily, U-Haul has the products and services, so the only thing you have to worry about is getting to class. If you're going in-state, you're most likely moving to campus by car. But if you can't fit everything into the trunk, make sure you get one of our U-Haul trailers to bring everything you need to campus. And if you need boxes, packing tape, or any other moving supplies, make sure you stop at any one of our centers to pick up the essentials. Now, if you're flying to college, you may think that the amount of stuff you can bring is limited by how many suitcases you can drag with you. But that's just not true. With college boxes, you can send your stuff ahead of you so that by the time you get to your new dorm and meet your roommate, your stuff is already there. To use college boxes, sign up online at collegeboxes.com where you'll be asked where you want your boxes sent to and when you want them to get there. In the following days, you'll receive a set of empty boxes that you simply need to pack up and correctly label. Your boxes will be picked up at your house and stored in climate-controlled storage until they're delivered to your dorm room. When it comes to packing, put heavier things in smaller boxes and put lighter, spacious items in larger boxes to keep your boxes from breaking. Keep your boxes under 50 pounds to prevent the box or your things from breaking, and make sure you pack the trailer according to the 60-40 rule. That means that 60% of the weight should be distributed to the front of the trailer and 40% to the back. This way you can keep the trailer under control when you're driving to campus. Put similar things in the same boxes to reduce damages during transport. Keep appliances with appliances and clothes with clothes. And make sure to label your boxes when packing. When you're unpacking your things in your new dorm, you'll be grateful that everything is already sorted out. Remember, your dorm is your new home, so bring some decorations or things that just make it feel homey. That list should also include a first aid kit and some simple medicines like painkillers. You never know when you're going to be in a pinch. You're probably going to want a mini fridge in your room, and you can order one from a nearby store, or some universities allow you to rent one directly. When you're out shopping, it's going to be a good idea to pick up a water filter pitcher. It helps eliminate plastic waste, and a lot of water fountains don't give you cold water. College moving is a new life experience that you want to start off on the right foot, and U-Haul has plenty of different options to help you do that. For more tips on moving to college, come check us out at movinginsider.com and share your moving day photos with the hashtag U-Haul Famous. Have a great school year.